Here they are, the 5 common mistakes to look out for when buying a new laptop. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you need a new laptop, I've got a few words of wisdom for you. First, don't let the price be the deciding factor. Laptops are expensive, and you may think buying the cheapest one will be best for your budget, or you may think buying the one with the biggest price tag is going to have all the best features. Rather than choosing that way, consider setting a maximum budget and assessing your needs and what features you're going to want your laptop model to have. My next tip, try before you buy. Whether you're a first-time laptop owner or simply upgrading, it is a good idea to give your new computer a test drive. Go to a brick-and-mortar tech store like Best Buy or the Apple Store or the Microsoft Store and explore the different laptops available. Number 3, be mindful of compatibility. One of the most common mistakes when purchasing a laptop is not double-checking the port compatibility. Today, most laptops use USB-C ports, so the smaller ones, while you still might have several devices which use the larger ones, the USB-A ports. These are the plugs on the side where you may charge your devices or plug in other devices. True, this incompatibility problem could be solved with the purchase of a dongle. Yeah, I said it. But rather than spend money, it is a good idea to check your computer ports if they're compatible with other devices you know you're going to be using. Tip number 4, plan for the long term. Don't buy a laptop that is under budget and has a few of the features you may need right now, and you're not thinking about, well, what's going to happen in the future. You want it to last at least a few years. When I say a few years, I mean like 3, 4, maybe 5 years. So while you don't need the most up-to-date model, don't necessarily go for the one that you know is already a few years old. Finally, size does matter. You heard me right. Laptops are like Goldilocks. Depending upon your taste, some may be too small, some may be too big, but you'll find a laptop that's just right depending upon your own needs. A few factors to consider are if you're using it at home or on the go, where you plan to use it, and if you need to carry it around, and your requirements when it comes to visibility and typing. For more tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.